Morning. Una kami kita. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Good morning. Good morning, Zumba lady. Thank you. Thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. No, I don't know how to try. Hello, Cheryl, Lovely Lives. Welcome back, Lovely Lives. Thank you. Thank you, Nourish by Music. Thank you so much. How are you today, Cheryl? I'm fine today. Shailandra Singh. Love you. Heard that. Love you. Love you. Where are you from, Kurdat? Thank you for the thumbs up. Long time no see your live on the internet. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Hello, 24 people. Thank you so much. That's good. You look fine today, Cheryl. Yeah. Thank you so much. Love, live lives. Mumbai, India. Okay. Nice to meet you to joining here, Kurda 37. Thank you so much. I7 vidas Z. What you want? I see you are combing your hair. Yeah, I'm combing my hair because it's a bit. It must be early there because here almost 2 a.m. Here, time to care 8:39 in the morning. You need to sleep there. You need to go to sleep. Thank you for joining. Very long time no here. Hi, Assassin. It is 6 a.m. here. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you for joining here live. Thank you for the thumbs up. Early morning with Cheryl. Yeah, early morning. Early morning. And wake up. Knock, knock, knock on the door. And wake up. What's the plans today, Cheryl? plans today. I'm going to my colleges. I'm coding, including wash the clothes, visiting the, I'm going to work, field work. Saya dari Indonesia. Hi Indonesian. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's a busy day today for you, Cheryl. Yeah, it's a busy day. Busy day. How are you? I'm fine, Richard. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'll go to sleep, 5% battery. Anyway, have a great November. Thank you. Thank you, Nourished by Music. Thank you for joining here. Got a long time no here. Thank you so much. Have a great November. You are beautiful and lovely. Thank you, Richard. I like Cheryl's accent. Thank you, thank you. Love, live lives. You got nice eyes. Thank you, Richard. I see you are going really for today's seal colleges here. Colleges, workmate. Including Lols. I'm not good at typing. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I understand. Me too. Sometimes I'm always like that. Typo error. Charles, who nice. They will be happy to see you. Thank you. Thank you, lovely lives. Thank you for the 12 million here. Thank you so much. You can relate to my typing struggle, yeah. I relate. Did you have coffee yet, Cheryl? Yeah. Done coffee. By the way, it's how about some? Have coffee. Start coffee. Did you have not yet breakfast? not yet breakfast. Hi, thank you. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. The coffee makes the Filipino energy. Absolutely. Absolutely, you're right. You hear us, pretty Cheryl. Thank you. Lovely vibes. Thank you so much. Do you brew or instant coffee? I don't have the broad the coffee maker. I don't have a coffee maker. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Golden. Nice dance move today. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. I am like and subscribe to you, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, love, live lives. Thank you, love. Thank you, love. Oh my god. Love Golden Frieza. You're welcome, Golden. You're welcome, Golden Frieza. I have an eye bugs. Well, you got to get ready soon, Philippines. You got to get ready soon. You was up at 5 a.m. Who? The Love Live Life or me? Me, me. Mm, no, 6 a.m. in the morning. Doing Zumba. William, God bless you, sister. What is your name, sister? My name is Cheryl. My name is dancing. Yeah, the dancing Zumba dance. Zumba dance. Across Zumba dance. I don't understand Arabic. Can you speak English? Thank you. Oh, 6 a.m. dance. Yeah, 6 a.m. here. Franco, saludos desde Argentina. Thank you, Franco. I don't understand Arabic. Can you speak English? Thank you. Wait. My breakfast is a banana. How many languages do you speak, Cheryl? 3 language. Tagalog, English, Bicol. Something about rad. Rad? What rad means? Ato. Lol. Something like that. I like banana. Hi, pretty Aba Louise. Hi, the Aba Louise. Your English not all the way good. Yeah, free. Yes, Gavin. I agree. Sorry. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Radmin School. Okay. Now I understand now. Sorry, I'm not in English. Maybe you can teach me, guys. Radmin School. You read, guys. Rodel on TV, tiba. Te, bago ako matulog, Shit. Oh my God. What the? Love to be a good friend. Thank you, Aba Luis. Thank you, Aba Luis. Akala ko magluto. Iba pala yung sinabi niya. Oh my God. I don't like toxic people here on my channel. So dami naman sasabihin mo. Yan, bakit? I hate Pinoy. She is a Filipina born and raised in the Philippines. Yes, I am. Love, live lives. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, Insan. Thank you for passing by. Kumusta? Oh my God. Advance Merry Christmas. Thank you sa pagpunta. Salamat. Have you lived in the Philippines your whole life, Cheryl? By the way, when I'm graduating in high school, I'm going to Manila. I worked there a very long time. Then I come back here in pandemic. Then I stay here almost 5 years now. Yes. Then if life not good here, I'm going to work in another place. If ever, I'm going to another place to save more money because for my son. Kagising ko lang super pagod sa work. Mag-8 PM na pala. Ganyan din ako nung nagtatrabaho ako sa Manila. Pagdating ko, matutulog. Tapos magigising ako alangan na oras. Tapos magigising, parang ang pangit, no? Tapos tsaka na magluluto. Tapos matagal ulit matulog. Tapos magigising papasok ulit. Ang hirap ng work is life. Second question, do you like living in the Philippines? Yes, I love living here in the Philippines. Most the province life. I love living in the province. Manila, the capital of the Philippines. Yes, the Manila is the capital of the Philippines. But I want to visit other countries like Switzerland. Switzerland is my dream place to visit. Okay, Jurabica. So beautiful. Morek. Work is life. That's accurate. Yes. Oo nga. Ngayon di ako nito makakatulog kasi nakatulog na ng alanganin. O ganyan kasi yung yung biyahe, pagod na pagod sa trabaho, pagod sa biyahe, pagod sa stress sa katrabaho. The nature of the place. Tapos pag-uwi, pagod, matulog, tsaka na mag-asikaso, then medyo ilang oras bago matulog, then few hours na lang, gigising ulit, magtatrabaho ulit. I'm from the Netherlands, Mark 131. How old are you? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Stress ako sa pasyente ngayon. Bakit? Siguro bugnutin. Pero pag lalo na kapag yung pasyente stress din, yun, depression. Yung pasyente depression. May Thank you for joining the live. Cheryl is a vampire. She doesn't age. I'm 40 years old. 40. I'm 40. Modi kasi ang iba. Oo nga. Modi. Hindi kagaya natin na whatever it is, it is.
Dr. Green Aura. Wala ko lang.
Modi nga. Lalo na yung
Wala ko lang. Nalag ko na. Mapataya daw mo eh. Bang! Patay ko! Nakuha kasi may... Natay kasi may
lies. She's 22. At the max, I'm joking, but you look great for your age, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, love, live lives. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. 18 people here. Thank you so much. Okay, masaya naman sila. 9:13 ba sila? Masaya naman. Siguro yung iba lang.
Kami blue.
Okay lang kahit isang lang. Yung isang pasyente lang. Masaya naman kausap yung iba. Meron talagang may kakaiba talaga. Hindi, wala talagang perfect. Kahit yung trabaho, hindi talaga mape-perfect yun. Laging may struggle.
Wala. Sa isa yung nabigid ka niya. Yun, nag-green ang mas magayon.
I like the birds on your shirt. Sure, it's the bird. It's not a bird. Just like a plant. It's a bird. Oh, you have a good vision. Lovely bird. It's a bird. I'm like fly away. I don't know when I'm mess. Oh my God. I don't know, it's a bird. Let's see, look. Thank you. Almost lahat naman sila masaya kausap. At minsan hindi lang. Maybe because what they are suffering. Okay. Maybe that's why. Yes, it's a bird. I like a bird. I'm like a bird. I know I was right. Yeah. You are right. Thank you for the 17 people here. Thank you, guys. Gay David, the chat on the phone to get the rod and we'll combo nga eh. Don't know what to say to someone who is the guy. Is the best mama on the phone, and I bet you. Huh? You are like a songbird. Merry Christmas, malapit na. Yes, advance Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh my God, 2026 is coming. Oh no. Cheryl, are you excited for Christmas? Yes, I'm excited for the gifts. I'm excited. Oh my God.
Oh, para sa mga kanina.
Christmas is love and sharing. What he is talking about? Chat GPT? G. David? Yeah. Yeah. Kaya, I don't know what he said. Maybe he's trying to speak in English. Maybe Santa Claus is coming to the Philippines. Yeah. Welcome to the Philippines, Santa Claus.
Oh, come on. Only ang gatong. Oh, ako na nakakatay. Only Salgado Team 4. I have 700.
Carlos
Oh, 700.
Saavedra. Hello, love from Colombia. You love Linda, my like your lips. Hello. Hi, thank you, Carlos. Corazon. Then Vierno. 1979. Hello. Cheryl just likes to be showered with gifts. How I wish. You need to gifts for me, guys.
Oh, nice.
Ay,
walang nagawa ni Kuya ko. Akala naman ako papalag ka? Papalag kami. Bago na ko siya. Hindi ka man nakapatay. Hindi ka man nakapatay. Nandito naman ako kay May. Wala ko siya pa nagano. Nagluto sa amo.
What time do you have to leave to see your colleges, Cheryl? After lunch here. Because after the live, I'm going to wash the clothes. Then after lunch, I'm going to work. Yeah. Oh my God, too much busy. Every day. Cheryl, where are you going with your cool? Cool? Cool?
Giro.
Where are you going to celebrate Christmas, cuz?
Namulo.
Where are you going to Christmas?
Namulo.
Dito lang sa Philippines. Dito lang sa sa Bicol. Mas masaya dito. Feel ko yung Pasko dito. Ayoko magpunta ng iba pa. Maliban na lang ko. Cause when is the Luciana Oliveira dos Santos. Good evening. Is here admiring you. What? Oh my God. I'm sorry, Luciana. Oh my kulay. After her lunch break, she leaves to see her colleges. Yeah, for encoding. Hi, Cameron, go. Cameron, George. Hi, George.
193 ko na kayo na living. Bakit di ka kasi?
Hi, George. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. My gulay.
Ay, nangirot sa rin na yun. Ala, kulay blue din
Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Ayaw, ito ba? Bando na lang. Oh, kinataw. Madalaman ka bulilis.
What? I will pass it on, or I will pass it on to him to talk to you. What? Oh my God, Luciana! Luciana! When is our next high school reunion? 2026. The batch reunion. Grade school and high school next year. That school reunion next year. The reunion. Oh my God, the alumni. After live, call me. Okay, I will call you. Buwan noite aqui, Bito Esposo de Luciana Gustimueto. Divusi meu amor. What? I don't understand. Luciana, can you speak English, Luciana? Manila and Cheryl are very well known to each other at this point. Oh my God. Love live lives. Oh my God. We are from Brazil. I thought you're from Colombia. Brazil. We are from Brazil. Nice to meet you, Luciana. CP Tin Dinimar. Hi. Me too. I wish next year me and Matt can celebrate Christmas there. It's more fun in the Philippines. Yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines. Oh my God. Can you come here now? Come on, next year. Next year na pala, next year. The Philippine stars already had Christmas decoration. Before Halloween ended, yeah. Yes. I want to buy Christmas tree. God, I need to buy. Valeu, Basal, Legendesi. Hello. Next year na pala, yes. Next year na. Next year na yun. Valiar. Suraj Kumar. Hi, Suraj Kumar. Hello for the 18 people here. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Ang ingay ng kids. Yung reunion next na pala, bilis ng bilis ng panahon. Next year na yon. Batch reunion, grand alumni. Don't worry, Cheryl. The elves are making your gifts for Santa to deliver them. Thank you. Thank you, Gaps. Advance. Thank you so much. Kakainis nagsisend ang type di ko pa. Tapos ganyan din sa akin. Ganyan din yung ko. Tapos typo error pa. Ganyan din yung akin. Nag-uunay. Oh my God. Good morning, my dear. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here again. Just don't be on the naughty list, Cheryl. Okay? Just don't be on the yeah, of course. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you for joining, guys. Cheryl is a good Filipino. How you know I'm good? Thank you, lovely lives. Thank you so much. Oo nga, nakakainis. Di pa nga tapos ang sinasabi ko, nag-send na agad. Palitan na itong CP na to. Bitak. iPhone na, iPhone. iPhone agad. How are you, Princess Filipina? I'm so beautiful. Charot. Joke. I'm fine. Your three favorite words are oh my god. Yes. Yeah. Merit Julie. Hi. It's CBW. Like, okay, is it? Thank you. Mahal ang iPhone. Mas gusto ko ang Samsung. Mahal ang iPhone pero quality naman. Okay naman. Ganyan talaga pag mahal.
Ay, maribo ka naka-live ako pumuyak. Stop!
I wish people would speak English. Sorry. iPhone. I like iPhone. Oh, sorry, Tim. I will now. Sorry, Tim. My cousin, if she think you're not here, so maybe that's why. I'm sorry. Hi, Tim. How are you, Tim? How are you, Tim? Beautiful dance a lot today. Thank you, Alcival. Thank you so much. iPhone is good for vlog because the quality of the video and the image is beautiful. How I wish I have an iPhone na. Tired of people thinking I'm not here. Sorry. Beautiful and exercise today, yes. Thank you. Hope you're watching the Zumba dance. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Gab! Marbukong ka, Gab. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay, I will see you later, Cheryl. Enjoy your day in the Philippines. Pretty Filipina. Thank you, lovely Blaze, for joining the live. Thank you. God bless you there. Take care always. Health as well. God bless you. Thank you so much. Take care. Why love here? Oh my god. Maybe that's not the reason.
Eliminated. Pink pag eliminated.
Yes, guys. I'm thinking iPhone next time. I will start vlogging later again. Yes. You can show me us the America, the Chicago. What Chicago looks like. I have been here from the beginning. Thank you. Hello, my love. Hi, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Thank you for joining here again. Calling my man.
Bang, blue as.
Son, Jerry.
Eliminated pa
Jerry. Oh, from Golden. Golden. TV show. Popcorn, money popcorn. Dance everyday flower. Yes. Because it's my exercise everyday. Dance Zumba. This is Dangyun. Dangyun? What Dangyun? Kyle son. Yeah. Jesus, my love, follow me to Mexico. Mexico.
Hindi ako, yung karton, number 7.
Mexico. Is Tim in a good mood today? I don't know. I don't know if he's a good mood now. Maybe in a bad mood today. Jerry, who on your show today? Yes, Insan. I'm planning more driving next year. And planning a cruise vacation again. That's why I'm thinking to vlog again. Sayang ng view. Oo nga. Sige na. Oh my God. Parang maganda yung view dyan. Beautiful view, different nature. Yes. If I have a phone, beautiful phone, I will do vlog. Yes. Damn! More vlogs, more monies to come. Thank you for joining again. I go for you, my love. I never believe in love. It's easy to say, but love. I go for you, my love. Yes, guys. Right now, my phone is acting like this. Maybe because it's already broken. Me too. My phone is too much issue in this life. In its life. Too much issue than the owner of the phone. Oh my God. Your husband not jealous. Huh? We are too poor. Me too. I'm too poor. Oh my God. Forever. Oh my God. It gave me a craving to eat. What do you want to eat? You want eat a banana? Rodrigo, I have a banana here. You want a banana? I like banana, you know. I love when you sing a love song to me. Oh my God. Sing you sing a love song. Yahoo, hahoo, hahoo. You want a banana? Rodrigo, it's a banana. Delicioso. Yumilicious, delicioso. You are rich? No, I'm not rich. I'm cute. Baba daw, di na nagkukunong. Di ba ba nga magkurunong na lang kay? Taka may pasakat-sakat pa man. If I sing you a love song, but if I go home, promise me. We'll travel around our area. We need to explore. Yes! Thank you. Thank you, Insan. Thank you, guys. We'll travel around the world. You have a banana. You are rich. I'm not a rich. I'm not a rich. Alimar. Rodrigo, you want a banana? You want to eat a banana? Banana. I like banana. You was live in Mexico, my queen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Which banana? The banana is. You want to eat this, the banana? If I sing you a love song. Ang pangalan niya.
Eliminated pala yan to.
Ay, naka. No, that you want me.
Natanggal. Kanap. Read.
Oh, I know that you want me. Gonna wish me made on the other. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. What? Thank you for the thank you for the 22 people joining the live. Hello. Pro one of Panda. Coffee Coffee ka. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. I'm 40 years old. Not old. Getting old. Not yet old, but getting old. Oh my god. I've done the... Hi Mark. Hello Mark. Not... Welcome back Mark. How are you? You was live only for me. Oh my god. The lights mix me ano. Hello Rodi Paz. Hi Rodi Paz. How many children do you have? One. Yeah, good Cheryl. How are you doing here today? I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. Thank you Mark for joining here. Have a good day. Gopal, can you speak English? I don't understand your language. Thank you. I don't understand your language. Can you try to speak English? I want to understand what you want to say to me. What you want to say. Can you speak in English? And I don't want to read it because I don't understand. Nice to hear. Hot there, hot here, hot weather here. Jose Edson Rodriguez. Hi Jose. Stop it, Gopal Sharpa. Gopal, English or Tagalog, please. Thank you, Mark. Gopal. Gab. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much, Mark. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can sing you. Oh my God, Gopal.
Oh yes, pass. Ay, orange ako. Edward.
Do you speak Spanish? No, I don't speak Spanish. I don't know how to speak. Gopal, the host does not understand Hindi. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Mike. I don't understand Hindi. Hindi ko kaya intindihin the language of the Hindi. Jose, what means? Dexa, what it means? Di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw. Yeah, it's Indian Cheryl. Yeah, it's Indian language. I think it's not good. No. Do you want my love living for me? Why should I want to live with you? Why? Even I don't know what who you are. Oh my God, Jesus. Oh Jesus Christ. Você sabe. Você sabe. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Bangkit. Abolfaz. Hello, Abolfaz. Nosebleed for you, Cheryl. Yes, nosebleed for me. My God. Nosebleed for me. Argentina. Hey. Hello, old man live 50s. Hi. What it means to say? How sick can you speak English? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. I'm 40 years old. And you? How old are you? The old man lives 50s. Or maybe 50s. 50 more. Do you like my... Oh my God, no. All my life, you're really 57? Wow. Wow. Jesus. Jesus, delay. How I should like to be your wife, huh? Um, every day, every night. Oh, giling-giling pababa ng pababa. Kababa ng pababa. Hi, Doc. Hello, Doc. Thank you for joining here. Oh my God. Email? What email? Match 1997. Hello. You so crazy. Yes, I'm crazy in love. Telegram. I know Telegram. No, I have no other apps. Where are you from, the old man? Pugon? What Pugon? Pygon? What is that? What is that? Not a try. Sorry, sorry if you became